Are good things hurting me or making me sick? The answer is yes, and I will explain why. This will make you jump from a Dodge car to a Ferrari. Stay tuned. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to surpass psychological, mind, spiritual or physical difficulties, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. It will help you to get the result you are after. It is good because it means longer life, and even one more day matters. Take the example of those that have cancer and they do chemotherapy. Each day in pain is worth it. We have as a target at least 30 seconds. And for professionals, 15 to 20 minutes each morning of stretchings or sport. And if you want more breaks, you can use the Tabata method, 20 to 30 seconds sport, 10 seconds break, and repeat. Or you can use the Kaizen method, gradual increase, today 30 seconds, tomorrow 40 seconds, and the day after tomorrow 50 seconds. And so on until you reach a few minutes and continuing remaining at a few minutes. Everything is allowed, just to start. I used to do maximum 200 push-ups a day, and each time when I finished, I mimic by walking with the chest raised in front and proud. I was beating my chest with the hands as monkeys done it in cartoons. That makes me proud, and I gather inner strength to keep going with the push-ups. The breaks were between 5 to 10 minutes each, and the rounds were formed by 20 to 30 push-ups at a time. Sometimes I did 50 push-ups at once, and sometimes I did only 10 because I didn't have the strength for more. Now I am riding a bike, and this is the only important sport I do besides dancing, salsa, bachata, kizomba, merengue, tango, and country-specific dancing, all social, and some stretching exercises. Through sport, we wake up the entire body as good as or better than a cup of coffee. Bed making is the first fitness activity, after which, depending on the medical needs that we have, we do physical exercises like in the sport class from school when we were warming up before football or basketball or other sports. If you go to bed 5 times a day, you make the bed 5 times a day immediately after you go out of bed. It is something psychological to have the bed done. A healthy mind in a healthy body, an expression inherited from the Roman Empire, mixed with who is getting up early in the morning, a long journey he managed to do, can change our life. I recommend to you a movie with a simple exercise through which you can get rid of unwilling thoughts, and it helps you to have a healthy mind. Let us go back now. Having a robust body that can achieve greatness is changing our mood for the better and increases our self-esteem. The sentence "nothing can stop us" can be truly fulfilled through sport. One of Murphy's law states, competing all by yourself and win, and then in the reply be on second place. This is not possible. It is only in your head that you are vanquished. Morning sport is morning coffee. We replace the coffee addiction by energizing us through sport. We truly wake up. I recommend to watch the next movie, which is about how to sleep well. It will help you a lot. And I am ending with a saying that has become a cringe. A road of 1000 miles is made starting with a small step. Success, my fellows. I inform you, down into the description we have a PayPal donation button where you can make a donation. For every $20 earned, $2 will be used for charity actions. Please be aware that the comments about major depressive situations of users should only follow the example. You should see a specialist. The particular life problems should be posted using the phrase "I know a friend who has got a problem." Never expose your own selves. We do not offer support nor advice to individual problems, but only some practical exercises that worked for and helped several individuals, the first of whom is me. Insults or bad advice will be reported to the police in case the person addressed to tried and or succeeded to commit suicide or did other illegal deeds. Haters are not allowed here. In case they do express their opinions and cause negative consequences for various persons, they will be reported to the police. The persons with a divergent attitude or the ones creating pranks, exaggerated or fake situations only for a laugh also do not have the right to post comments here. In the case of a prank situation made up by a user for a laugh that triggers negative consequences for others, the user who did it will be reported to the police. I am not a doctor and therefore I cannot offer specialist advice, but only friendly, common, colloquial advice. My name, Dr. Chili, is an acronym.